little discussion on installing our rock sliders for the 3rd gen Tundras. So a lot of people ask, do our sliders work on the hybrids? Yes, they do. The only difference is this bolt behind here that goes through the frame has an aluminum insert on the non-hybrid models. They all have, this is basically got, when you drop it in the frame, on the back side of it, when it pulls tight, it'll actually lock itself on these 2 bolts here. And these 2 bolt holes are already there. They're just opened up to larger size to accommodate these 2 screws. Now you can see on this screw here, which isn't tight yet, which he's getting ready to tighten. This screw here has a square. This screw here has a square. And this screw back here has a round circle. So this orientation on all these, it has the little plastic insert. So these mimic the little plastic inserts there, the square one there, and there's a round one back there. Now, all these holes exist in the frame. The only hole that has to be opened up in size is this front one here, and this rear one back here need to be opened up. So you can do the inserts in here, the frame, to put the threaded inserts in it. So, and then, but they're all there. There's no additional holes that are drilled into the frame. They just are opened up in size. But all these rest of them here are all using the factory size holes. So hope this helps you understand how each one of these go when attaching them to the frame. And then up here, and then obviously down here. So you can see the orientation of all these bolts throughout the frame here. And please feel free to reach out to us if you need any help on any of these, but this will help you along. We'll actually do an install video here shortly. We just happened to finish this one here at the shop, and I wanted to at least share this with you to help you along installing your rock sliders. And it's going to be done the exact same way on the other side.